Hi, welcome to Wingops tutorial on how to add and link airworthiness directives and service bulletins. To start, navigate to the AD SB tab. Click the plus AD SB button. Here, enter the necessary details. For example, let's input an AD and a description. You can also set the compliance status here. Below, you can upload the official document directly to this record, ensuring it is quick and easy to find later. Next, let's add a service bulletin. Click the plus AD SB button again. In this case, enter SB and a description. Just like before, attach the relevant document file. Now, to link these two items, hover over the Actions menu on your AD and select Link. You can link an AD to an existing task, ADSB, or modification. Select ADSB and choose the service bulletin we just created. They are now linked. You can also create a task that is immediately linked to this AD. Hover over Actions again and select plus Add Task. The Add Task window will appear. Notice that it automatically fills the name and description. Add the tracking parameters and interval. When you enter the last done date and hours, the system will automatically calculate the next due time. The task has now been created. Finally, click on the AD to review. Because the task and AD are linked, any updates to the task's status will automatically sync with the AD details. Scroll down to view all linked tasks, modifications, Airworthiness Directives service bulletins, and files notes in one place. All the linked items can also be seen on the main ADSB table. Thank you for watching.